Good morning everyone. My name is Himanshi Gupta and I am a student of class 10th A and I am going to show my project file of social science on topic social issue. Which is about environment issue. Abstract. Human activity in past decade have raised serious issues related to environment and its conservation, air pollution and management of its waste, growing water scarcity, falling groundwater tables, water pollution, waste disposal, desertification, endangered species preservation and quality of forest, biodiversity loss and land soil degradation, global climate change, pollution, environment degradation, global warming, greenhouse effect, acidification, ozone depletion, and other local, regional, and global level environmental problems that make us vulnerable to disaster and strategy now and in future. What is environment? The word environment refers to all ecological units which are natural present on earth in form of land, water, air, soil, forest, sunlight, minerals, living organism, etc. Environmental issue. An environment problem occurs when there comes a change in quality or quantity of environment factor that directly or indirectly affect everything on earth. Different type of social issue, which is global warming, ocean acidification, acid rain, ozone layer depletion, desertification, water disposal, water scarcity. Global warming. The climate that continuously changing for centuries. The global warming happened because natural rotation of sun that change the intensity of sunlight and move closer to the earth. Desertification is a type of land degradation in dry land in which biological productivity is lost due to natural process or included by human activity whereby fertile area become increasing more acid. It is the spread of arid area caused by a variety of factors such as through climate change and through overexploiting of soil through human activity. Various causes of desertification: overgrazing, deforestation, farming practice, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides, overdrafting of groundwater, climate change. Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion is a major concern, is associated with number of factors. Acid rain. Acid rain or acid deposition is a broad term that includes any form of precipitation with acidic components such as sulfuric or nitric acid that fall to ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry form. Ocean acidification. Carbon dioxide released from burning of Water scarcity. Water scarcity involves water crisis, water shortage, water deficit, or water stress. Pollution. Pollution can be defined as an undesirable addition of a constituent of to water, land, or air, which adversely affect human life, species, living condition will deteriorate our resource. I hope you like my project file. Thank you and have a nice day.